How was it?
Hey, terrific.
So how do you like those new shocks? Those the spring kit and the revalve on
I can
this
sure
Talon?
tell the difference.
Can you?
Yeah, I like them. Like coming up these rocks, big difference. Coming over a few bumps that we went over, or little whoops, big difference. The back end's not hopping, and that makes a big difference too. So yes.
So over
I like
the
it.
stock, you used to have that back end hopping up on you, and
Yes.
you're not feeling it anymore.
And a lot of transfer to the steering wheel when you're going over rocks, not getting near as much.
So the feedback is not as hard, and it's feeling a little bit softer.
That's correct.
So you were how long did you have this on just the stock setup?
About 9 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
So plenty of time to get a feel for the difference.
And I rode in all kinds of terrain, the desert, washes, rocks, hill climbs.
By the way, this is Tom from Colorado, right?
Yes,
Just want to make sure we get that out there. So you would recommend Zbroz then?
yes. Call
Awesome.
me anytime you want.
Awesome. Well, we sure appreciate your business, and many happy miles on these, for sure.
Well, thank you, and I hope I've made some new friends here.
You absolutely have.